Okay, so a very good morning to both of you. I welcome you to my institution. Now we are going to motivate each other. Someone needs motivation and someone will motivate to that need person. Motivation has been essential nowadays. Many people are suffering from upset. Okay, suffering from different kind of sadness, so we have to motivate them. First of all, we have to learn how to motivate ourselves, right? Because when we are demotivated, we are unable to do anything properly. We are not able to study, we are not able to walk outside, we are not able to concentrate on anything. So today we have to learn how to motivate someone. Let me tell you first of all what is motivation. Motivation means speaks good thing and positive things of that situation and of that person, but motivation depends on situation, the circumstances, what problem that person is suffering. According to that situation, according to that person's problem, we have to motivate and we have to speak those kind of words. Okay, motivation is very important nowadays. If you find people, then very often they search on Google motivational video, they put status on WhatsApp as well, motivational video. So why this? If we are able to motivate ourselves, we don't need anybody to motivate, right? So today let's practice first of all how to motivate each other. Then definitely, if you learn today, you can be motivated by yourself. You don't need anybody to motivate you. So guys, watch this video till the end. This video is going to help you a lot in your life. As I told you, dear friends, that in our life we watch a lot of videos on YouTube, motivational videos. Motivation, what is motivation exactly? If we can motivate ourselves, we don't need anybody. So guys, watch this video how we are motivating with each other. Just watch. After that, we can definitely be that person who can be motivated by ourselves. We don't need anybody. Thank you. Well, this is me, Rudra Dharua. You are watching our channel Village English Institute. Okay, so who will motivate? You will motivate to him. Okay, and you have to tell your problem so that she could motivate you, right? But we have to feel like if he is suffering from a problem, that time you have to, he is your friend or he might be your brother, I don't know, that you will act. So you can say, my dear brother, don't be upset, it happens. Who told you that it never happens? It has happened to me, it has happened to so many people, I have seen that. But you were saying and you were thinking that it has only happened to you. Not at all. This is not a thing. Any situation, any moment can happen, anything. We have to be ready about that. Yes, sometimes it happens on the spot, so for that we are not ready. But we don't have to be upset. You are brave. You have to do only one thing, that is you have to believe in yourself. You don't believe in yourself, that is why you are upset today. One day I was also upset like you, but I believed in myself and I got over from that situation. I got over from that adverse situation. So now it's your time to believe in yourself that you can do. And my dear brother, I believe in you that you can do it. Nobody else can do it for you. Only you are the person, you can do it. Okay? Let's see how you perform here.
So sister, I have a problem.
So what is your problem? I can see you are looking sad.
So actually, I am not able to problem. I am not able to focus on my studying.
Okay. Oh, I see. It is not very hard thing to do, but I can solve you. I have that problem and many people have problem and you have only that problem. And if you have desire to study and interest to studying, then no one can stop you by studying and by doing studying. And so my dear brother, everyone this problem, but they can easily solve that problem by if they have interest to study and if they able to speak any language, like you are not able to study English book,
Yeah.
so they have to practicing English about, and you have to reading books day by day, and if we but when you study English book, then what kind of problem you get?
So my problem speak.
Speaking time.
Yeah.
Okay, I know little bit English. Don't worry, I can understand you English. As far as I know about Santosh, he was getting fever, and day by day his his body is very dangerous to go outside. That is why he he is not able to play cricket, football, so he cannot go.
So nowadays he is not going to play football, then he is get fever and whatever. That is why I am telling